you can match the DSP's hardware sensitivity to the input voltage of your system. 0 dB is the standard setting for most systems. Use -6 dB for high power systems or +6 dB for low power systems. For more adjustments, you can use -3 dB or +3 dB to fine-tune to your specific vehicle. Remember, setting this too high can cause distortion. Once you save your changes, the DSP will reboot for a few seconds before resuming playback. The reset setting clears all configurations or restores default. The About section provides software and hardware details for your connected device. In the bottom section, you'll find some nice tools to work with. Mute All. This button mutes all channels at once. Bypass EQ. This bypasses all EQ settings on every channel. Next, we have the delay calculator. When you press this button, a new window opens. The calculator converts distances, either in centimeters or inches, into milliseconds. To use it, simply input the exact distances from each speaker to your listening position. When you're done with filling in your distances, please press Confirm. The software have handled the delay calculations for you. The delay link feature is right next to the delay calculator. Pressing this button opens up another window where you can link delays across channels. Just press the same number on multiple channels to link them. Remember, these links are related adjustments and not direct copies. On the top side, you'll find routing. This opens up a new page for fully customizable routing options. You can route any input channel to one or more output channels, but the total for any channel cannot exceed 100. Here's an example. If you want both high 1 and high 2 inputs linked to channel 1 output, you'll need to split the signal. For instance, set high 1 to 50 and high 2 to 50. Together, they add up to 100, which is the maximum allowed to avoid distortion. In the top right corner, we have input priority. This feature lets you set a main source and a mix source. The mix source will overlap the main source when a signal comes through. For example, if you're streaming Bluetooth audio to the DSP but want to keep parking sensor or warning signals from your car's high-level input, set the main source to Bluetooth. In the top left corner, press Options to fine-tune your settings. Adjust how much the mix source overlaps the Bluetooth audio. For high-level signals, I usually set this to around 70%. You can also set the boot delay for the amplifier here, anywhere between 5 and 30 seconds. Finally, at the bottom of your screen, you can adjust the source volume for each input source to balance everything perfectly. And that wraps up our overview of the ZDA DSP software.